name is Antonio Carnevale. I am a senior and consultant in ethics in CyberEthics Lab, Italy. The organization is focused on ethics and social aspects of emerging technology. I can say that scientific curiosity is our focus, and our business line is just to help our clients to be compliant with the European framework on legal and ethics aspects. We work constantly on European funding research project. On healthcare side, this is the first. We worked on security, disaster recovery, and security and privacy protection in cross-border technology. The role of a CyberEthics Lab and PERSIST is to take care about ethics and privacy issues on the different side of the research actions. For example, on the side of the creation design of the platform, for big data, and for the other technology platform that should be implemented in the research, and then for all aspects that are involved research participants in clinical studies. CyberEthics have really different expectations on this project, starting from the outcomes of the platform, because we are complied with the ethics aspects. So we wait to design and test a platform that should be really integrated in the life of patients in a way that can help patients to conquer, a sort of well-being on different kind of outcomes that they wait for us. So this is ethics, and we are an ethics company. So this is one of the most important expectations. The second one is, just to use PERSIST to create a network, a European network of international action and research projects, just to start to discuss behind the project the opportunity to create a sort of European healthcare system. I think that the main problem that the patient have is not only related with medical aspects. I think the most important part of a cancer patient that is treated by medics is to reconquer the social life. So it's more in relationship with psychological aspects, socio-economic aspects, differentiated by gender, maybe by cultural expectation. So because life well-being is not to be treated good on medical aspects. This is fine, this is the base, but there are other aspects that go beyond what is, to be ensured on healthcare system. This life is, more complicated, and I think that problem like depression and so on is part of the issue that patients suffer about and expect resolved by us. Persons have different kind of the task to implement the life of patients. First of all, we have to design a platform just to have a better understanding of the medical aspect of the treatment in a way that we can intervene to improve the medical solution. This is the first part. The second, we want to create a sort of tool that help doctors to make decisions. And then in the consortium will be patient organization. So all this stuff will be helped by the support thanks to the support of patient organization. So it will be a sort of co-creative mechanism, to create things that help clinical part, but in the same time with the feedback that receive from stakeholder I mean patients. So, and how we can anticipate its impacts? It's really hard now to define because we are in the beginning of the project. But we want to align the impacts factor around in the first 6 months of the project. So this is a big challenge because we want to produce the setup of all things in few months in a way that all the rest of the project goes in direction of work within this frame. So now they are not possible to foresee or to anticipate impacts, but we are working to do it in few months.